Hey guys, welcome back to OIC Chris, where it's never too late to have an OIC moment. This is part 2 of the November 2021 Maths Paper 1 past paper series that I'm doing. If you guys are enjoying the content, then please do consider subscribing to the channel. We've almost reached 1,000 subscribers, and I'd really appreciate it if we could reach that before you guys write your finals. So let's get into the question. Okay, question 2 is looking at series. Okay, so they've given us there the geometric series. Okay, so remember, series means we summing everything up. Okay, so x plus 90 plus 81 plus continue. So now they've asked us to find x. Now from our knowledge, we know that a geometric series has a common ratio. Okay, so we have a common ratio of r. Okay, so now we need to find x. So we know that it's this one divided by that one must be equal to this one divided by this one. Okay, so we're going to have 90 over x is going to equal to 81 divided by 90. Okay, now it just becomes solving for x. So we multiply across over there. Okay, so 9 times 9 is 81. Add your two zeros. Okay, and then 81x. So now all we're doing is dividing by 81. Okay, so yeah, we technically have 81 hundredths. So x equals to 100. Okay, not too difficult. Now 2.2 says show the sum of the first n terms in Sn equal to 1,000. Open bracket 1 minus 0.9 to the power of n, close bracket. Okay, so we're going to be using our formula for Sn for geometric series. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is find r. Okay, so from up top here, if you go and calculate what r is, we can use this term or that term. We're just going to get that r is equal to 0.9. Okay, you can plug that into your calculator and check. So now we have r, we have a, it's the first term, it's 100. Okay, and we can now solve for what they want. So Sn is going to equal to 100. Okay, 1 minus r is 0.9 to the power of n. Okay, all over 1 minus 0.9. Okay, so 1 minus 0.9 is going to give you 0.1. So we have 100, 1 minus 0.9 to the power of n, all over 0.1. Now, 100 divided by a very small number is going to give us a very large number. And if you go and check this out, okay, so 0.1 is 1 over 10. So if you sort out that, you'll see that 100 divided by 0.1 is going to give you 1,000. 1 minus 0.9 n, and we end up with what they want over there. Okay, now 2.3 says hence otherwise calculate the sum to infinity. Okay, now quick thing that we should notice here is that r, okay, is equal to 0.9. Now 0.9 is indeed greater than -1, okay, and it's less than 1. So therefore we know that this series will converge. Okay, so now we're pretty much finding what it's converging to by finding the sum to infinity. So we're going to have sum to infinity equals our first term, which is 100, divided by 1 minus r, which is 0.9. Okay, and if you plug that into your calculator, you have 100 over 0.1, which is then just equal to 1,000. Okay, and that's how we go about doing this question. Okay, if you guys are managing to do this question in under 10 minutes, then you guys are on track for your exams. If this content is helping, then please leave a thumbs up on the video. It does help me out a lot. Please consider subscribing to the channel down below. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below as well, and I'll get back to them as soon as I can. And remember, it's never too late to have an OIC moment.